Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to 5 tan t, because if I put this one go in here, you got about 25 tan t square, number 25, number 25. You can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. ds, you got about 5 secant of t square dt. After we do first the derivative of this one, so I will put this one go in here and here. ds we change by this one. So we have 25 tan t square, number 25, you can do about factorization. This one you got about secant of t square. This one you got about number 25 tan t square. The square root of 25 secant of t square, you got about 5 secant of t. Now we need to simplify 5 secant of t on numerator and denominator. So number 25 we put outside. Secant of t, we change 1 over cosine t. This one we change by sine t square over cosine t square. Now we need to simplify cosine t. And cosine t will go to numerator. And now I need to concentrate about this one only. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equals to sine t. dz, you got about cosine t dt. So this one you got about z square cosine t dt, we change by dz. The integration of this one you got about negative 1 over z, and we put about c. About z, that's about sine t, and we put about c in here. So that means this one equals to this one. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 5. And we got about t equals to arctan of s over 5. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.